I mean, you can use it if you don't want to take the risk.
I'm just getting it just
I'll
in
tell you
case.
what our time is when we.
Like right there.
Oh yeah, that was pretty good.
That is guaranteed faster than I could load
Yeah.
movement.
We might not kill it.
Oh my lord.
Man, those guys never miss. But like they miss. There you go. That wasn't that bad though.
Top 10 tier moments. Wait, hang on. Alright.
What was that?
Plugging in my cheats.
Oh.
That's Fire Emblem Heroes.
Oh.
Alright.
Are you close to me? It's there.
Alright, I got it. Don't want to leave the Congo.
Oh, my phone is going off in my pocket.
I think it's up. It's up there.
Is it? Oh, jeez. Okay. Go for here. Unless you can make it. I almost fell off.
That's unfortunate. Am I buying or are you buying?
It's up to you.
You want a song? Oh, it's buy.
Yeah, okay. I don't know. I don't know. I really feel like we do better when you buy. Oh, that's okay. I wish we'd stop getting lunar coins.
Like the actual items.
Well,
there's a lot of
actually,
enemies.
I don't think lunar coins actually take item drop slots. There's another white item right here.
Pretty good item drop for Sigmund. Fortunately now, you know, it's gonna be good item drops. We're not gonna get like it's gonna be 4 equipments in the shop. Watch.
That's gonna be, dude. That'd be crazy though. Here's a green.
Fuck, check. I'm gonna go red whip just in case we don't get tincture. I don't want to stack more than like 2 or 3 razor wire. Get this portal so fast. Watch this spawn beneath us. I'm gonna cry.
I don't think it will. I don't think it's that stupid. You know, it could totally be though.
I mean, you may be right, but then again, this game has done a lot of stupid stuff. Okay, got everything.
All 4?
Go now.
Alright.
There you go.
That was pretty good.
I think if I tell you to go like right before I open up the menu in the thing, I think that's like prime.
I think it's in the funny spot.
It's where I pinged.
Oh, I cannot see it. I believe that, but
it's
like I still don't see particle effects.
It's in the funny spot. I gotta go over the wall.
Oh. You think it can spawn like in the wall?
Probably. I remember I got the.
Oh yeah. Well, I don't have the thing yet.
I'm making one of these. What else?
Are you good on white items or?
Yeah, you can get that one.
Okay.
Oh, there's 2, so you should get one.
Oh, cool.
So
I'll go for that
with
one.
the future shred, should I get crowbar or AP rounds? So I'm thinking AP rounds.
Actually, AP rounds would probably be better. It would kill magma worms faster, as well as horde enemies. It would kill everything faster in terms of bosses.
Yeah.
I'll hit the portal since my item's closer.
Oh shit.
Oh, 2 white items dropped by me. That was pretty good.
Oh, this is a weird spawn point.
I think it's by the coast. Oh no, I see it.
Get up there.
That's just a bad spawn spot. Like, it's really hard to get to. Do it, do it, do it.
Yeah. Oh, but it's because we're up here. I don't think it's gonna hit it.
Okay, we'll be ready. I'm gonna die. Actually, no, I'm good. I'll be fine.
That's stressful. Magma worms aren't a big deal, but they're very stressful. Because ideally, in theory, we can kill them before they even come out of the ground. But like, I think it's spots like this. I'm gonna go for the green one.
Okay. I'll go for this white.
Nice. You didn't pick up the Prion, dude.
The what?
Hey, we got the Prion chest right there. It's right there. Yeah, see it.
Well, the Prion wouldn't even help us that much. Actually, it probably would.
It's just you don't have equipment at the moment, so
Yeah.
it probably wouldn't help us at all. We'd only get to use it like twice.
Well, it'd be good if we got. Watch out for these jellyfish. I killed one. It'd be good if we got like Dune Strider.
Yeah,
Or
that's true.
Imp Overlord.
That's true.
Oh jeez. Oh, here's another one. I hate those guys. Because I'm
What?
like,
Oh, I don't. Oh, that's right.
you
Yeah.
don't have what?
I thought I had little disciple. I'm like, damn, there are no skulls coming out of it because I don't have the item.
Oh. I just get crowbar because I couldn't find AP rounds in time.
I think
have
it's
two crowbars,
bottom
though.
left. I think is where I saw them. I forgot. Ooh, oh fuck. Damn, if I didn't nail the geometry funny, that would have been killing me.
Hold on. Yeah, see, but like, we're doing a lot of damage to it.
Yeah. Overwise quail.
Hey, watch out for that.
That's right. Do you need that white item right there, or I have 2 AP rounds, so
I have 2 crowbars and the topaz and a backup. So I think
this
it's
is
probably
I'll
better if you
just-
could find some way to use it.
just this.
AP rounds.
Also, it is bottom right.
Bottom right? Oh,
should I-
bottom right.
Oh.
Just get speed. Speed. Or something. It doesn't matter. I said speed. I'm just like, I associate green items with speed now.
Yeah. I get it.
Oh my god.
I think it's up high.
It's right there.
activated.
Yes.
Alright, that was not a great stage. I guess it was fine. Could have been faster.
Tincture.
Tincture coming in
Oh,
clutch.
jeez. Oh, come on.
Well,
He dropped a white item. Do you need it? Just get
I'll
it. Just get it.
keep sticking APIs.
I guess that's. I mean, it's actually pretty good because now you're doing 180% damage to bosses now. So
Yeah. That was bad R key movement.
okay, seriously, you can grab it from that distance. I see it. It's over that way.
It's right there.
Dang it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Is there two? Oh, there's two.
Well, now there's none.
Dang, that was epic. How'd you know? How'd you call that? You can have both of these items. I don't really. Actually, I'll take one.
I don't
Because
really
I
need
might as
them.
well. I might as well also attempt to get to the bottom, even if I'm less likely to do it. I'm slowed. I got slowed and then sped up like like as I was in midair, so I just like started like moving really fast in the air.
I won't touch off this game on.
Dude, that means we're gonna get world record. I don't know how those two things correlate.
God, I love this song. I might go back and rewatch Promised Neverland because I love this show so
I'm
much.
probably gonna read it soon.
I see a Void Reaver already.
I see it. It's at the back. Or no, it's not. It's right there.
That was fast.
Do it. Do it.
Cartoon.
Where is it? I'm up high now.
It's dead.
Okay. You saw a Void Reaver, you said? Oh my.
I had.
It's okay, actually, we still might do it.
Yeah, there's a Void Reaver at the cargoes. I took that hit because I didn't think that would one-shot me. I was at full HP with, like, the double armor. That's sad. That stinks. Is it possible for enemies to get critical hits? Is that a thing?
I have no idea. Probably not, but I don't know.
I do not know how I died there. 'Cause it might have been like an elite Lemurian, I think, but like, see, oh, I don't know, dog. Alright, hey, remember to activate the portal, not the teleporter. Alright,
If you can get to the bottom in the next 20 seconds, it's ours.
I should be able to do that.
Okay, you're not gonna believe it. 12:58.
So we tied them.
Yeah, we tied them. I'll save that one too. Let me, alright, let's play, wait, we gotta play another round so I can stop it. That was really close. If you didn't die, that was hands down ours.
Yeah. Oh wait, we gotta turn on Realm Royale.
Oh, yeah.
So, I don't know. I like how the message